Good evening, everybody. Let me explain you the difference between fund flow statement and cash flow statement. As we already discussed about fund flow statement theoretical part in the last class, about the cash flow statement, let me give you an eye view. What is about cash and why we need to prepare the cash flow statement. So cash is a need, a lifeblood of a business. Without cash, no any business is going to have their business activities. Well, there are two different types of cash flows in the organization. That is, the inflow of cash and outflow of cash. We also call in other words, that is about, the positive cash flow and as well as negative cash flow. So the positive cash flow is, the cash when it is comes into the business, we call it as a positive cash flow. And when the cash goes out of the organization, we call it as a negative cash flow. So the positive cash flows are nothing but whatever the cash inflows, like the receiving of payments from the customers and receiving of any interest or dividends from the customers. So any such kinds of receivables, we call it as a positive cash flow. And if any cash balance or bank balance get increases, that also we call it as a cash flow, because whenever cash comes into the organization, quite naturally the cash balance or bank balance of an organization get increases. So that is what we call positive cash flow. And negative cash flow, when the cash goes out of the business and when there is nothing but the cash balance or bank balance, when it is get decreases, we call it as an outflow of cash, and we also call it as a negative cash flow. And that the difference between positive cash flow and the negative cash flow is called as a net cash flow. Well, you don't have problems on this part for your as per your syllabus is concerned. Let me explain only the theoretical part. And the statement of changes in the financial position of an organization, and that too in terms of cash basis, is called as a cash flow statement. And cash flow statement indicates a summarized information and that enumerates that not it will affect on the the organization when the business transactions are purely based on cash basis, as well as not in accrual basis, because accrual basis transactions will come into the fund flow statement. Well, cash basis transactions will be considered purely cash basis, like the actual cash receipts and actual cash payments transactions are going to be considered while preparation of the cash flow statement. And one more thing, usually the profitability is going to be the main objective of modern business concern, because profits are important to the success of business. However, a business cannot achieve or it cannot maintain profitability without carefully management of its cash. Cash is a lifeblood of a business enterprise. In a sense, cash is a fuel that keeps a business moving forward. So, it is very essential that every organization requires the cash to make payments to its suppliers and to incur day-to-day expenses, like payment of salaries, payment of wages, payment of interest, payment of dividends, etc. So it is very essential for a business to maintain an adequate balance of cash, but many a times enterprise make huge profits, it becomes very difficult to pay tax and dividend. So this is why the net need, it is very essential for all the organization to prepare a cash flow statement. So what is then meaning of cash? You may getting that. What is then cash fund? What is the difference between fund and cash? Very natural. Cash refers to actual cash. Okay, actual cash, which is right now in the liquidity, in the form of liquidity you are having in your hand. And another, bank balance. The balance which is in your bank account, that is also a cash, and very near any cash transactions which makes you to have a liquidity in your hand, that is quite natural, we call it as a meaning of cash. Then what is the difference between cash flow and fund flow? Cash flow, nothing but as I told you earlier itself, that is a positive cash flow, and negative cash flow, that is inflow of cash into the organization and outflow of cash to from the organization. And fund flow, that is sources of funds and application of funds, which we already discussed in the class so many times very in detail. Then a very important part of this chapter about the cash flow statement, the difference between cash flow statement and the fund flow statement. Let me explain you the major difference between the cash flow statement and the fund flow statement. Let me go one by one. What is the difference which makes? First, as based on the concept, it is based on fund flow statement is purely based on the working capital. It is wider concept. So the wider concept here, nothing but working capital is the main objective where we are going to detect from the fund flow statement. But whereas in cash flow statement, cash concept is of purely of a fund, which is a narrow concept. Well, in the based on the difference between basis of accounting is fund flow statement is based on accrual basis of accounting. Like unless the transactions may occur in the future, that transactions also we are going to consider for fund flow statement. Whereas for cash flow statement, it is purely based on the cash basis. I'm talking about the second point. Cash basis means if actual cash receipts and actual cash payments happens physically, that type of transactions we are going to consider for cash flow statement. Well, for third point, schedule of changes in working capital. Schedule of changes in the working capital is prepared whereas in fund flow statement, but in the cash flow statement, no such any schedule of changes in working capital we prepare. See, the current assets in minus current liabilities as a formula, as we know that considering all current assets and deducting current liabilities out of it, we get a working capital. But no any such kind of the calculations arises, as it is purely based on the cash from operations, right? And the fourth one, indication. So what is the fund flow statement we are going to indicate? It indicates changes in the working capital, that is the position of the two different period, whereas in the cash flow statement, no any such changes in that is only talk about the cash position of the organization between the two different dates. What are the causes then? So in fund flow statement, while we see to that what are the causes for the preparation now in the changes in the working capital. But cash flow statement, it explains the causes of changes in the cash flow, that is in the about the cash position. So fund flow statement gives you about the detail of current assets and detail of current liability, why such causes arises between the two difference between current asset and current liability. Whereas basis of usefulness, 6th point, where fund flow statement keeping long period in the mind, we do prepare the fund flow statement, whereas in the cash flow statement, it is more useful for short term plan. So short period, we can go for the cash flow statement. And 7th point is about opening and closing balance. It is very known that it does not start, fund flow statement will not start with any opening or any ending of closing balances. But the cash flow statement, it starts with the opening cash and ends with the closing cash balance, because it is purely cash basis transactions, as we do consider the opening cash balance and the closing balance are going to be very important role and while preparing the cash flow statement. Whereas the 8th point, what is the difference makes that classification of assets and liabilities? Of course, in fund flow statement, assets and liabilities are going to be classified as current and non-current items, because we need to prepare working capital, as I told you earlier itself. So we do consider the classification of assets and liabilities, but no such classification comes for cash flow statement. You know why? We consider only the cash receipts and cash payments transaction. We don't have nothing to do with the assets and liability status over in the cash flow statement. So why no such classification is necessary? Well, in the 9th point, type of statement. As we know, it is a very main statement, because fund flow statement covers 3 different parts, that is changes in the working capital, funds from operation and fund flow statement, which speaks about the sources and application of funds. But whereas here in the 9th point, it is only the 9th point in cash flow statement, it is a supplementary statement. It sometimes helps for the other aspects also to know the cash position in the organization, the status of the cash position, what are the total cash receipts and what are the total cash payments, what is the cash balance lying in the bank account, what is the cash balance lying in your hand in the organization liquidity, that all different information we are going to get. That is the reason 9th point speaks that it is a main statement for fund flow statement, but it is a supplementary statement, it will be for the cash flow statement. And what is the objective or purpose of preparing fund flow statement? Of course, the major and foremost objective for the fund flow statement is it is prepared for estimating working capital, because we want to know the liquidity position of the organization. So why fund flow statement always highlights to know the status of current assets and as well as the current liabilities. But here it is prepared only for cash planning, that how much cash should be maintained the organization, what are the future payments are going to be obliged by the company, how to make clear of that payment unless going for other sources of borrowings or any overdraft facility you try to avoid always, so that we prepare the cash flow statement to know the cash planning in the organization. And last point is about method of preparation. As we know already, as I told you, and as we have practically done problems on the fund flow statement in the previous sessions, it reveals the sources and application of funds, and we prepare the changes in the working capital, and also what are the funds available for the from the operations of the organization to the preparation of statement of changes, that is with regard to sources and application. And also in the method of preparation of fund flow statement, this fund flow statement reveals what are the total sources available for the organization to raise their funds, and how effectively we can utilize that sources as in the form of, we call it as an application of funds, which represents the net increase or decrease in the working capital, which is very important for the preparation of the fund flow statement. Whereas here in the cash flow statement, it reveals inflow of cash and outflow of cash. The difference represents net cash flow. As I told you earlier itself, positive cash inflow and minus negative cash inflow, we get a net cash flow. That means total receipts and minus total payments and what is the actual cash lying in the hand. So these are what are the 11 different types of cash flow, difference between cash flow and fund flow statement, right? With respect to this, I also have given some other points to you as in the form of a PowerPoint for your earlier itself in your class. You can make use of that. So thank you.